Today, me and Blue will be doing the dog tag.
Yeah. Yeah, he's so happy.
I asked for you guys to send some questions over, and I really appreciate those who send the questions over. The first question is, what's your dog's name? This is Blue. Blue! What gender is he? Blue is a male. Right, Blue?
You want meal? You want meal?
Feisty. You're so feisty today.
I'm gonna get your dog. I'm gonna get your dog. I'm gonna get your dog.
What type of pet do you have? Blue is a shirt. Blue is a German Shepherd. How old is he? Blue is 10 months old. He will be turning 11 in 2 days, so we're really excited about that. Let's see how this goes. Next question. Do you have any nicknames for Blue? We call him Baby Blue, Dr. Blue, Stinky Baby, Bubbly Blue, Blushy Blue, oh Sassy Baby, Happy Baby, because it just depends on his mood, basically. Like in the mornings, he's all happy, and then like hitting 12, it's like Sassy Baby, and oh my gosh. What's the weirdest thing he has done? He like lays down, and then like I don't know where he grabs his paw and he starts biting it. I'll put the video right here. What's the baddest thing he's done? The baddest thing he's done is rip my mom's shoe. My mom still doesn't know, so if my mom's watching, love you, Mom! He didn't do anything. But yeah, he ripped it up, and like we put Gorilla Glue.
Yeah. But he's still a good baby. Yeah, he's still a good baby. You're not really a baby, but you know, we just call you baby because you're so baby, because you're 10 now, so you don't really look like a baby, so yeah, that's fine. You're getting really close to me.
Show you guys some tricks, so I got some tricks for you. Okay, well, come here.
Can you shake? Oh yeah, good boy. Yeah. Can you sit?
No, not shake.
No, not shake. No shake. Sit. Yeah. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Good boy. No shake.
Okay, get up. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Oh yeah, you left it all dirty, honey.
What's happening? What's happening?
So that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate you guys. Like this video if you guys want more videos like dog tags and to keep more updated with Blue. Bye guys! Jesus, you're not a baby anymore. Okay, don't touch anything, Blue. Seriously? After I said. Second question. Blue. Blue is currently 10 years. Not 10 years. Oh my god.